Now there are so many AI tools. One of the prominent ones is Grok AI. Sometimes through Grok AI, you may have generated text results, but sometimes they'll be long answers. So you won't be interested in reading them. But if you want, you can hear that answer as voice. We're not talking about live chat. We're talking about an already generated result that was in text form. Anyway, for this, first what we need to do is open the Grok AI application. After opening the Grok application, for example, I'm selecting one result that Grok has generated for me before. So this is the answer, and this is a long answer. If you want to listen to that answer here, you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, you can listen to that answer.
Here is the rewritten version with natural conversational English, while strictly keeping the original text length.
So this way, you can easily listen to text results as voice on Grok. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.